Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cook on Date in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I make this nice good Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerio. Very easy to make, delicious. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start off with our water. We want this makes 2 tablespoons, and you want 4 tablespoons, and then 1 more. That makes 5 tablespoons that you want of water. Okay, I want 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of canola oil in there. Okay, I want 1/8 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, now we'll let this. Okay, now we're going to add in 1 or 5 tablespoons of whole grain oats flour, and then 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Okay, then you want a small little bit of baking powder. Not very much, but I like that. And we're just gonna combine this together real good. Okay, now I'm gonna add in our liquid. All the way. And then we're just gonna mix this in very well. Okay, next you wanna load up your piping bag. Okay, what you want to do is you want to make little holes. Just like that, all the way around. Okay, for our next part, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, on this part, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Very well. We're going to pop this into the microwave. Let this get to a boil. Okay, there they are right there. Look at that. Homemade Cheerios. Anyways, we're going to coat these down with our little honey batter. Okay, what you want to do is you want to see, I've already dumped all these into here, and I got a shish kebab stick, and you want to get every piece out at a time after it gets coated all the way through. Okay, now we're gonna put some milk in the dish. Look at that right there. So easy to do right there. Okay, now we're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh, good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.